Somebody heard a sound of gunshots. Firecrackers and gunshots can sound similar. We get the call, we respond. We had an officer on scene. Our school resource officer responded there, and we did our, determined that, based on what we found out, it was firecrackers. But we took precautionaries. We trained for this stuff, active shooter events. Thank God it's not an active shooter event. It's just some idiot that went out here and caused a lot of problems. And I tell you, I'm pissed to no end right now.
Imagine. Is the school cleared?
School's clear. Everybody's safe. Nobody's injured. But I got parents coming here. One parent came to me in tears, and I'm trying to tell her it's okay. It's okay. But they rushed here. I mean, they could have got in an accident, got hurt. My officers are coming code 3 here, lights and siren. They could have got killed out here. I mean, it's just.
Was there any report of anybody suspicious in the school before that happened?
Trespasser.
So you think there was actual trespassers?
It's okay, just firecrackers.
She's panic attack.
Tell her firecrackers. They're in there taking care of it.
Listen, she's passing out. Her eyes bloodshot red. So I know she's in the thing right now. She is out.
We had an officer in school when it happened, so within minutes it was taken care of. The buildings.
Have you found this kid that allegedly set this
Not
off?
at this time. Not at this time.
So you're working.
You know what? Somebody will get him.
But if you identify him, he
He's going to be charged. Several charges.
15 minutes away.
At work?
And yeah, I was doing work. And she called me. My daughter called me on the phone and said, "Hey, heard somebody might have a gun on campus. They're not letting anybody leave the cafeteria." So I got over here as soon as I could. Just hoping it wasn't the worst case scenario. You don't want to, another shooting. So that was my biggest concern. I was worried about my kids. So I just got here as soon as I could.
And then I just went to my friend because she was crying and she was like, someone brought a gun to school and they thought he shot somebody, but I guess they just said that it was a false alarm or something.
Yeah, we were told out here it was fireworks.
Okay, so you at first thought it was a fight, you said?
Yes.
Okay.
I mean, everyone just started running and we were just sitting there. We didn't really know what was going on at first. And so everyone started coming and started running into the cafeteria. And that's when everyone started calling their parents. So.
DIXON, and it was during lunch. And I just heard a shot, so I started running. And everybody, there was panicking. We was calling our parents and stuff. Because we wasn't for sure what it was. Everybody was thinking it was a gun. And I was in the bedroom with my sister and friends and stuff, and one of my friends said that she was throwing up and it was hard for her to breathe, and everybody was just scared. We wasn't sure what it was.